welcome to the KariClub.com. My name is Minesh, and this month we are cooking Seabass Pollichatu, a fantastic, beautiful, elegant sea bass dish cooked with tomato upma, a beautiful lime coconut ginger sauce, and a samphire and red pepper thoran. It's a wonderful, easy dish to prepare. So as ever, when we come to doing marinades, always do your marinade first. No exception here with the fish. We're going to do a very light marinade and leave the fish in the marinade for 1 hour. So generous glug of oil, some garlic and ginger paste, some turmeric, some coriander powder, and some Kalonji onion seeds. That goes really well with fish. Pinch of salt. Squeeze of lime, we've done a really lovely easy marinade. All I want you to do now is score the skin, just slit the skin in a couple of places so that the marinade really soaks into the fish. And really work that in. So once you've marinated your fish, just set it aside while we carry on cooking the rest of the meal. We're just going to make our lime and coconut ginger sauce. First thing we're going to do is prep our banana shallots, our ginger and our green chilies. So a little tip now, obviously you've heard me say this in my previous videos, but peeling the ginger, you really want to scrape the skin and not peel it, because you can see all that juice coming right underneath the skin. That's the sweetest part of the ginger. So a little dash of sunflower oil, and then some coconut oil as well. So mustard seeds, make sure they pop because you want them to pop properly. Put in your urad dal, your ginger and green chilies, scrunch up your curry leaves. The coconut oil gives a wonderful aroma. So while our onions are cooking, we're going to slice our tomatoes for the sauce. So as soon as the shallots have softened a little bit, about 5 or 6 minutes, then put your tomatoes in. So add some salt. So we want the onions and tomatoes to soften down together. As soon as they have, then we can add our powdered spices. So after a few minutes, you can see that the tomatoes have integrated with the onions. You can see that our own homemade paste is starting to form. So turmeric goes in. And some coriander powder. So once the spices have been cooking for a few minutes, then pour the coconut milk in. So to finish, just a squeeze of lime and a bit of chopped fresh coriander. So we've made our lime coconut ginger sauce very quick and easy. Now it's time to make the tomato upma. We'll just chop our tomatoes. We've already got our sliced ginger ready and our green chilies, so it's time to make the mix. So with our upma, a dash of oil and the same tempering that we used for the coconut sauce, which is mustard seeds and urad dal. Just wait for the oil to heat up. So in go our mustard seeds. Urad dal, our ginger and green chilies, and our tomatoes. Pinch of salt, squeeze of lime. So after you've added some water, you'll get almost like a thickish consistency, and just roast it until everything's cooked. Have a little taste, add some more seasoning if you need to. This is a great South Indian favourite. Loads of different upmas. Lovely. So now our upma is made, it's ready. All we've got to do now is finish with the thoran, which is sweet red pepper and samphire. Very quick stir fry of cumin seeds, fresh ginger, really quick and easy. So add a dash of oil to your pan. When the oil's hot, add some cumin seeds, let them sizzle. Put some ginger in, add the red peppers, stir fry and add the samphire right at the end. We just made a wonderful sweet pepper and samphire thoran. Now it's time to fry the fish. So literally just for a few minutes on the skin side down. Turn the heat off. We've just cooked a really elegant sea bass with a lime coconut ginger sauce, tomato upma, something very common in South India, and finished with a beautiful sweet pepper and samphire thoran. I hope you've enjoyed cooking this dish. Check out the KariClub.com for more recipes and tips. All our videos are on there, all our recipe boxes are on there. Please keep cooking.